Hello, good day friends. As you can see display right here on my screen, I'm going to be withdrawing around 3 USDT on this platform, which is equivalent to around 33,000 that I'm going to be making in the next 7 days, and I'm withdrawing it direct to this wallet that you are seeing. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get started on this platform. Please make sure you pay good attention. I'm going to show you how you can recharge your account, how you can register on this platform. Now for you to get started on this platform, all you need to do is to click down the pinned comment in this video, or you check the description box. Now please make sure that after you are done recharging, make sure you withdraw every day. Now there is an announcement you are going to see once you register on this platform. Now to register, all you need is to register is with a login password and a security password. I'm going to show you guys at the end of this video. Now I started off with VIP 1, which is 12 USDT, and it's giving me an interest of 3 USDT, which you saw previously before I came to this interface. Now for VIP 2, I'm going to earn 35. I'm going to use 35 USDT, and I'm going to be earning an interest of around 9.99 USDT. Now these are quantitative platform, so you can go through all this announcement and see what you are going to be earning. Now in the next 7 days, I'm going to be earning like 2x of what I started up with. Now for you to recharge, you are just going to click on recharge right here, and then there are different network addresses that is going to be provided to you. Now for me, if you have been watching my video for a while now, I love to make use of USDT BEP20 network address, as you can see right now. Now you can either make use of any network for you to recharge your account, but before you recharge your account, you are going to click on quantify. Quantify is the second icon counting from my left, and then the third icon counting from my right. Now you are going to see an arrow pointing down at it. If I click on quantify and I scroll upward, you are going to see, if I scroll downward, you are going to see this 12 USDT is giving me 25%. Now you can just go through it. Now once you are done recharge, you click on this quantify. You are going to click on this you see this 1/1 start quantify. Now I've already clicked on that, so I'm going to come back in the next 24 hours. You are seeing there is a countdown right here, right? So in the next 24 hours, if I come back to this platform, I will be able to click on this, and I'm going to earn another 3 USDT. So 3 USDT times 7 days, that's 3 times 7, that's going to give me around 21 USDT. That's going to give me an extra of what, 11 USDT, and I started with around 12 USDT. Now please make sure that you note that this is not a financial advice. I'm just showing you guys the things I do on the crypto space in order for me to earn. Now for you to withdraw, all you need to do is to come right here on the home page, click on withdraw right here, and I'm making use of USDT BEP20 network address, and then I come here, I paste the address, and I'm going to withdraw everything that I have here, because these are mine. I'm going to withdraw them on a daily basis. Now I'm going to use my login, my security password. Remember, when you want to register on this platform, you have a security and then you have a login password. Now you can see my withdrawal is actually successful. I'm going to go back there and show you guys so you can actually confirm that the withdrawal is successful. Now the next thing for me to do is to show you guys how to register on this platform. So let me just exit. Now if I come here, I tap on sign out. I'm still going to go show you guys on the wallet so you can see that the 3 USDT have arrived. Now if I tap on register, this is how the interface actually look like. Now you are just going to sign in using an email, then you put a login password, you confirm it, you confirm the login password, and then your security password. Please make sure that you save all this detail for yourself. So you are going to withdraw. Please make sure immediately you recharge, you what, tap on that start quantify, and you withdraw immediately. So let's refresh. This was what we had previously. So if I refresh it right now, you are going to see there's an interest of 3 USDT right now, as you can see display right here on my screen. I go back on my history and you see this is 3 USDT that I just earned. So thank you guys for watching this video.